Welcome to Beyond Toy Tales. This is an AI voiceover due to a bird's voice near my house, and the reason I chose a female voice instead of a male voice is the male voice cracking a lot. Thank you for understanding. A little introduction ahem. My name is Rush from Thailand. My age is between 20 to 30 years old. You can take a guess. I do not proclaim myself as an expert. I have only done a paint job for any model or plastic kit 4 times in my life, so I make this video for you guys to come and see my progression. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. First, it's very cheap, about $30, and comes with a metal structure that has 2 pros in 1. Second, have a lot of lines to do line work, without having to carve out on yourself. For the first cons, the quality control is still in acceptable range. Some pieces do not fit properly, some come very loose, some come very tight. Second, mislabor some parts in the manual as I show you here. This is just one example, there are 2 to 3 more with the same problems. Let's not waste time any further. In this video I gonna assemble TCE-galaxy.
Music start.
I just finished assemble, paint, line work, and water decal. What's your thoughts? Can you see this missing piece? I got a solution. I never once said this project is done. So there you have it, my 3 weeks of work. I hope you like it. If you may be so kind, you can leave a like, or if you feeling awesome, maybe subscribe.